is I'm going to shut down all the sound to your system.
Hang on a second. Do you hear any alarm? Okay, no, because I even asked the housekeeper in the back there. She said no.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the system, and what I'm going to need you to do, after I'm done resetting the system, we need to make sure they work. So what I'm going to need you to do is, I turned off all the sound to your alarms right now. So what I'm going to need you to do is I'm going to need you to pull down on one of the levers for 5 seconds, and then put it back up.
Oh, okay. Now, I know if what I'm saying is I just need to verify that you're calling from the fire department.
I will give you my badge number, sir.
Oh, okay. Because you know how people call in for cranks.
Yes.
And I don't want to pull a fire thing, and then I have the whole department here, you know.
And my badge number is 220.
Just a second.
Okay.
Just a second. Let me write down this. Department. What's your badge number?
220865.
Okay, 22065.
228065.
And your phone number, sir?
I'm an operator for the thing, so we don't have a phone number that you can reach us back at.
Oh, okay.
I'm just an operator for the alarms.
Okay, so how do I verify that you're calling from the thing?
You have my badge number, sir.
Oh, okay. All right, so what do you want me to do now once you turn it off?
Okay, so I went ahead and reset the system, and all your alarms should be off right now. Like, if anybody is to pull an alarm at this point in time, nothing would come out of the system. It would only show up on my side. So what I need you to do is I need you to go over to one of the pull stations, and I need you to pull it down for 5 seconds and then push it back up.
Okay, so I pick any of them?
Yes.
Okay, let me see if where's a pull station? Okay, I see the red thing here. It says push in, pull down.
Yes.
So pull it down?
Yes.
For 5 seconds?
Yes.
I'm doing it right. I hope it doesn't ring.
It won't.
Okay, well, I'm going to do it right now. Okay, it's activated. It's ringing.
Can you say I'm a gullible idiot and I just got pranked?
It's ringing.
Hello?
Yeah, it's ringing.
Can you say I'm a gullible idiot and I just got pranked?
You pranked me?
I pranked you.